I'm Julia. Welcome to my yoga and meditation channel. I'm 54 years old and I've been teaching yoga and meditation now for 26 years. I'm very passionate about the effects that they can have on your life, to make you feel more alive, to be fitter, to be able to move more easily. Maybe you'd like to lose weight and look great, to sleep well and to wake up feeling refreshed. Learn to harness the power of the mind. Come and join me on your journey to wellness and positivity. Now, before we go any further, please click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell symbol and choose all. Pass it on, spread the word so that more people can enjoy this channel.